In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can activate evolution in Clash Royale. So let's get started. Now we're going to be looking at it step by step, so you can go ahead and follow these steps to make sure that you can finally activate evolution. The first step is to unlock the evolution slot. So unlock evolution slot. So reach King level 7 to unlock the first evolution slots, and then you can reach King level 54 to unlock the second evolution slot. Then we have obtain evolution shards. Obtain evolution shards. So evolution shards are required to unlock a card's evolution. You can obtain them from various sources including past Royale, season shop, challenges, shop offers, Paths of Legends, and level up chests which are after level 50. Then you have evolve a card. So evolve a card. So once you have collected 6 evolution shards for a card, you can evolve it. Go to your collection and tap on the card you want to evolve, select the evolve button and confirm your choice. The next one is to place the evolved card in the evolution slot. So place evolved card in evolution slot. So to use the evolved card in battle, you need to place it in an evolution slot in your deck. The evolution slot will be highlighted with a purple border. Place the evolved card in the slot, and then lastly you have to activate the evolution in battle. Activate evolution in battle. So once the evolved card is in the evolution slot, you need to play it a certain number of times in battle to activate its evolution. The required number of plays is called a cycle. So after you complete a cycle, the evolved card will be ready to use its enhanced form. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.